how to add highlights on Instagram without posting on story. Hello guys and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I will be showing you how to add highlights on Instagram without posting a story. In this video, we are going to use the archive feature. First thing you're gonna do is to add a story by clicking on the plus icon at the bottom. Then, choose a picture that you want to highlight. Now add the story and wait for it to be posted. Once posted, delete the story by tapping on the three dots right here and then click delete. Confirm this action. After deleting, go to your profile and tap on the three horizontal lines. Select your activity. Then, open the recently deleted folder and click the story you just deleted. Tap on More and choose Restore and confirm the action. After restoring, go back to your activity page and open Archive. The restored photo will appear here. Tap on it and you can finally add it to your highlights by clicking on the highlights down here. And that's it! You have now successfully added highlights on Instagram without posting a story. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!